All right, good morning. Today is Tuesday, March the 31st. I hope everyone's doing all right out there. I've had some technical difficulties today, so let's see, third time's a charm. I probably need to start posting a blooper reel. Uh, all right, so again, before we get started, I want to say I hope everyone's doing all right out there. I hope you guys are doing okay. Our school actually has some resources available if you're having any issues with, let's say, getting online, if you need a device, if you need breakfast. So, reach out to me. I can point you in the right direction if there's anything that we can help you with. I'm going to try and make today's lesson as simple as possible, as always. So let's make sure that we look at what our goals are. Our goals are to perform a sequence of transformations. Remember, sequences are an order of events, right? We have a first event, we have a second event. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the rules that we've learned about, and we're going to create a sequence of these movements. And so what I've done is I wrote on this assignment. I put a page on the homework 10 that has all the rules on there, and it would be a really good idea to write all these rules as I have them on your cheat sheet if you don't already have them on there, and this will be very helpful for you guys. So I'd like to go through a problem with you guys today on what I just expect you to do, and hopefully we find this to be a pretty simple lesson, and we can then have some more success with this stuff. So, and also, I do want to say I really do appreciate the effort you guys are making. I know I don't have everybody turning in the work, but I have a lot of you turning in the work. So those of you who are doing the work, I truly do appreciate the fact that that you're doing very well with that. Others of you, I don't know the circumstances that you're going through. So if there's anything I can do to help, or if you're a little bit overwhelmed, reach out to me. Let me know. Again, the goal here is to just do the best we can with what we got, and let's make sure that we come out of this quarantine in a good position. All right. So again, please let me know if there's anything I can do to help, accommodate, have you guys be a little bit more successful through this. So let's go ahead and jump into our lesson. So our goal is going to be to perform a sequence of transformations. I have an example on the board. Again, I'm going to work with 1 point. On your problems, you're working with triangles, so you're going to do this to 3 points. All right, so let's go ahead and start working our way through this. So our example deals with 2 transformations. I want you to first do a rotation in the negative direction, which is a clockwise rotation. And so I'll quickly write the rule for that. So what happens if I'm rotating in a negative 90 degrees? My xy is going to turn into a y comma negative x. The second transformation that we're going to do is we're going to reflect over the y-axis. So this is our reflection. We move to the other side. So what that means is that for this, xy is going to turn into negative x comma y. All right. So these are our two transformations that we're going to be dealing with. And so let me show you how you actually write these 2 out. Okay. So for this problem, doing this first and this second, what we're going to do is we're going to say that xy is first going to do a 90-degree rotation. So what's going to happen is it's going to turn into y negative x. And then after it does that negative 90-degree rotation, it's going to do a reflection over the y-axis. So what's going to happen is we're going to get this. Okay, so let's walk our way through this and understand what the process is. First thing that happens to our ordered pair is that the order switches and the X value now changes its sign. That's what that means. All right, so whatever we get here, what's going to happen here is the order stays the same, but now the sign of the X changes. So let's go ahead and look at our ordered pair that we have here. So A, which has the coordinates of 3, 1, which will go A and then 3, 1 is going to go to. So again, what I'm saying is we take our order pair, we switch the order, so this is going to start off with a 1, but I have to change the sign of my X. So remember, when I show that I have moved, I put a prime mark here. So now this is going to move to my order switches, and the sign of the X has to change. And again, that's how I do a 90-degree clockwise rotation. So that actually would rotate this to here. Okay. Now I'm going to look at my second transformation in this sequence. And so what I'm saying to do is the order stays the same, but I'm just going to change the sign of the X value. So since I'm moving this point again, I'm going to change this, and this is now going to say A double prime. And so again, I'm going to change the sign of my X value. So now it's going to become -1. And then nothing happened to my Y, so it's still the same, so it's still -3. So the final location is going to be here, A double prime, and I'm at -1, -3. All right, so that's basically all that we're going to be doing. And again, I made it a point to put all the rules with the homework assignment, so you have all of that available to you guys. Again, this shows me that I moved once. This showed me that I moved twice. All right, so you might need to watch this video once or twice. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Again, I want to help you guys be successful with this, and again, let's do the best that we can. And if there's anything that I can help you guys with, again, please reach out to me. And I will post the next lesson in 2 days. This is Tuesday, so it might either be Thursday. I guess Thursday. I don't know. This new schedule is throwing me off a little bit. So that being said, everyone have a good day. I will post the next video in 2 days. Have a good day, everybody.